High ping in PUBG can significantly affect your gaming experience. Here is a quick guide to help you improve your connection and reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it typically offers low latency compared to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth, such as streaming services or downloads. Step 3. Change server region. In the game settings, switch to a server region that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce the distance data has to travel, lowering your ping. Step 4. Optimize game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve overall performance and reduce lag during gameplay. Step 5. Use a VPN. If you're experiencing consistent high ping, consider using a VPN service that is optimized for gaming. This can sometimes provide a more stable connection to the game servers. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your ping and overall gaming experience in PUBG. Happy gaming!